What's going on, everybody? My name is Connor O'Toole. Thank you for watching this video today. So I'm with Gem Hunter Alpha, where we keep you in the loop of finding new gems and finding new projects, and also updates on the crypto and NFT markets every single day. So right now we're just gonna dive right into this. Let's go. All right. So the crypto market, the last 2 weeks has been very stagnant, to be honest. There has not been a lot going on at all. And when I say that, I mean like close to nothing right now. So I'm just looking at the last, how many months is this right here? So we got March, April, May, June, July, August. So it looks like about 4, 5, 6 months where price has really just been not doing too much. Price has shot up, it's come down, went right back up, failed to break new highs, started trending down a little bit, and had a massive dump. So I don't know what people are feeling right now in the markets, but I'm gonna try to dissect the sentiment right now. So these are a couple notes on what the videos I'm gonna talk about today. So we're just gonna do a little bit of TA right now. So obviously this is a very common thing to do with YouTube videos, but I've been investing for about 3 years in crypto. I've made some crazy returns. I made some 20x's, 30, couple 50x's in my career as a crypto investor. So I feel like I understand how the market works. I know what it's going to be doing. And something I just want to talk about with TA is going to be the timing of when and where you get into the crypto market. So the reason why this is so important is because this is key to actually making a lot of money. This is key to literally making profit in the market versus buying the top and buying when your mom tells you to get in. So I'm going to dive in right here. So let's just go back to the last cycle of 2020 into 2021 when it took off. So if people remember, this is literally what we were looking at last year. This was the market. Like 2018, obviously everyone knows this dump. Market did what it did over here. It's stagnant, just like it is now, right? But I want to just talk about why even anywhere in this general area is so important to be in crypto, to be looking at the markets right now. There are a lot of times where if you just bought anywhere over here, even if you bought here, this was the COVID dump right here. Like this exact wick right here is the COVID dump. So this was obviously a crazy time too in the markets, like super volatile. And one of the lowest points Bitcoin went, especially in that last run before it even started. But anyways, what I'm trying to talk about here with this is, bro, I want people to understand the big picture of crypto versus the small picture, as in long term versus short term, because this is a concept a lot of people don't understand, or if they do understand, they're way too afraid to invest because the market's down, the sentiment is low, no one knows if it's going to recover. It's like, bro, I understand exactly how people are feeling. I understand why people are afraid to invest, So I'm going to draw a circle right here, right? So this is a horrible circle. So anyways, this general area, bro, in between 10, 11K, this is where I kind of got in. I got in around, I was practicing trading around here. This is when I started looking into crypto, learning about it. It was literally April, May, all the way through like August of 2020. Messing around, I bought my first Bitcoin, not a full Bitcoin, I just bought a little bit. My first purchases were around 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,000. Once I bought it there, I just let it sit. So that was key for me. So I'm going to zoom out right now. This is lagging like crazy. So bro, let's look at now. How big is this area in comparison to this run? It does not compare. This is not even questionable. Look at like this area. This is the exact area I was telling you. If you just bought this area, and you watched price run, how much different that is. Let's take this tool right here. Let's see. Obviously from here, so that's what? All right, so it's about 99% move. And let's see from here what happened. 2, 3, 4, 5. If you got the top, which many people didn't, let's just say around 5. Bro, you could have bought anywhere in this area and you still would have done a 5x, okay? This is the common theme of cryptocurrency, bro. You buy the low, you buy when no one is talking about it, when no one is even looking at it, when no one hears about it anymore, when your parents aren't talking about it, like when they were up here, when they wanted to buy and invest their whole life savings. Like, you buy this area, okay? This market has moved like this in the last, 8, 10, 12 years. The last cycle, it was the same thing, bro. I don't even want to get over there, because if you guys understand what I'm saying, this is what is exactly going to happen. I can't even talk today, bro. This is what's going to happen right now, okay? So let's see. This is going to look like this in about a year to 2 years from now. So let's just do exactly what I just did. So we're going to zoom out. Let's say price does this, comes down, boom, boom, has a run, goes up, boom, has another dump. All right. Can I get out of this? So let's say over the next year to year and a half, I know this is into 2025. Let's just say this is the TA into like 2024. All right, we're going to draw that same circle, bro, okay? This general area. Can this get out of the way, dude? Oh my lord. So we're going to draw right here. This was the same circle as over here. So we're going to do the same thing. So if you catch anywhere, let's say 100%. If you get into this 100% area, just based off that last set of data, which, I did pretty quickly. Bro, let's say you caught this area. A rough target just to even, let me see. How far? I don't ever want to target too high. Let's just say, for this example, if it did exactly what it did last cycle, which I don't think it's going to, right around 500% here, in between 130 and 140K. Bro, this is going to be the type of scale that is going to play out as far as in this market. I'm not saying Bitcoin will hit this. It's not going to go, I don't think it's going to go to this high, to be completely honest. Like, I'm a bear in this market. I've seen the sentiment, how quick it can flip. I've seen the market move the complete opposite direction of what the entire Twitter timeline was doing, the entire literal crypto market was doing. I've seen Bitcoin flip against that. I've seen crypto go against everything. And I'm a firm believer that this is probably what's going to happen again. So I have heavy conviction that Bitcoin will break out. It's going to have another run. But I have a feeling that this run is going to be massive. And why do I think it's going to be massive? Bro, I think a lot of institutions are getting in right now. I've already gotten in. I mean, this right here alone, to me. So if I'm just looking, let me just clear this out 1 second. Like, dude, let's just take a look. Let's just take a look right here at this. What does this look like to you? So these little or they're not wicks, they're actually massive pumps or dumps. To me, these are very manipulated moves, whether that's from people that are over leveraged in a cascades because a lot of people had the wrong direction, so a lot of people get stopped out, or it's a lot of institutions, a lot of bigger players that have money that are selling off or getting in and buying. A lot of times that's usually what's going to happen. And watching this, how manipulated this looks, bro, you can only expect to see to see what's gonna happen when institutions start really FOMOing in and jumping into the markets again. Because right now there's zero talk about crypto aside from the government here and there and like on Twitter. Obviously, the people that have been in crypto are always talking about it. But if you're outside of the crypto bubble, no one is talking about it right now. And just seeing these moves of what's possible just in this little bear market right now, okay? Excuse me, in comparison to what is coming, when institutions FOMO in, I think the run is going to be next level. Like, I know like people thought that this was going to be the last major bull run. But again, let's look here. We're going to look at the market cap of the entire market. Wow, I got a lot of coins on here that have actually got taken off the exchanges I got. Hold on. But anyways, let's look at the market cap, the total market cap right now. Why this is lagging like crazy. I'm sorry if you guys are watching. But anyways, yeah, so the entire market cap at the end of the last cycle, the peak was 700 billion. In this range, I know you can't really see it, let me move it up. Was in between 100 billion to about, I'd say 400 billion. That was the market cap, the range of what people should have been scaling into position was. Where did it go? It went all the way up to $2.9 trillion, okay? So the market cap is ranging right now around 1 trillion. I'm not going to get too detailed with that. Around $1 trillion, went a little bit below, which great buying opportunities here. Anything under $1 trillion market cap is a very, very solid place of entry. But bro, so most of this FOMO, I feel like it was some institutions, yeah, here and there, but a lot of that was just retail people. A lot of retail investors that were still learning about it, understanding the markets, just they wanted to jump in, made that really run up. Well, let's just do a comparison. So right now, the entire crypto market, first off, the total market cap of every crypto right now, of Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the majors, all the minor, all the micro caps, the entire market cap right now is 1 trillion, okay? Let's see what the market cap alone of Apple, the company, 2.79 trillion. So, bro, so you have to understand the entire crypto market is its own literal financial sector. It's its own literal space of finance, if you want to call it. Bro, it's $1 trillion. Apple, the company alone, is almost 3 times larger than all of crypto itself. And when you have thousands of companies in the stock market across the world too, because crypto is a global currency, and it's a global sector of finance. When you take into account just how small that the market cap really is, dude, you can only understand and expect to see how big crypto can and will actually run in the future over the next, 3, 5 years, 10, 15 years. Crypto still has a long time to go. It's a lot of work still. But from there, bro, you seriously can only expect once major institutions, even like BlackRock's already getting in. A lot of these smarter institutions are already in. They've been scaling in since like back here. Like they know what they're doing, but once major companies, a lot more people start FOMOing in again, bro, you seriously can expect a massive run again in crypto. Like, I have zero doubt in my mind that's going to happen. So that's a little bit about just, I guess, some TA. This is like basic crypto knowledge that I just want to share with people. If you don't know that, if you don't understand, you're trying to get into crypto, you've heard about it. Bro, this is very important that you should know. Important stuff that you need to understand. And right now, the entire market is dead. The market is completely dead, bro, okay? But this is when you buy. And this is why I'm creating videos now, because I want people, if they're watching my videos, they're finding out about these videos. Bro, I want you guys to be buying. I want you guys to be jumping in. Like, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you guys to go buy this coin, buy this right now. Like, nothing like that. I'm going to give you guys advice in what I think is going to do very well in my future videos. This is a TA video. I wanted to just give a basic rundown of how you guys should be looking at the markets and how to understand them. Again, that was just TA. That's important. And another thing too I wanted to talk about was the market sentiment, all right? So this right here, I'll put it on the 4 hour, 1 second. So this was a big move for crypto. Right here was a major red flag for a lot of people. This canceled out a lot of people's technical analysis, canceled out a lot of different patterns. Of course, okay, didn't mean to do that anyways. But anyways, right here, it's like a lot of